Hi, I'm Euphronia, here for this month's edition of What's That? And as always, I'm joined by my sister, Euphronia. How are you today, Euphronia? Hi! That's great! Well, today we're gonna go around and try and find some things that are related to back to school. You ready to play the game, Euphronia? Yeah! Well, then let's do it, yeah! Okay, Euphronia, what's that? Oh, I don't know. Is it an apron? Is it a flagpole? Is it a car mat in a Ferrari? Oh, those are good guesses, but I don't think you're right, Euphronia, because it's a young lady wearing a backpack getting ready to go to school. Did you get that one, Euphronia? No! Well, that was a tough one, wasn't it, Euphronia? Yeah! Well, you ready to try another one? Yeah! Well, then let's play What's That? Wah! All right, Euphronia, what's that? I don't know. Is it a towel rack? Is it a tie rod on a 65 Volkswagen? Is it a door handle on Lakeview Elementary? I think you're pretty close, Euphronia. Let's find out what it is. You're right, it's a door handle at Lakeview Elementary. How's that make you feel? Great! Hey, you did pretty well that time, didn't you, Euphronia? How's that make you feel? Proud! Well, you ready to play some more? Yeah! Well, let's play What's That? Okay, Euphronia, what's that? I don't know. Is it a surfboard? Is it a cookie cupboard? Is it a roller rink floor? Oh, I don't think you did as well this time as last time, but let's find out. It's a desk here inside Lakeview Elementary. That was a tough one, wasn't it, Euphronia? Yeah! Well, this is Euphronia with my sister Euphronia for this edition of What's That? Say goodbye, Euphronia. Goodbye! Boy, you sure are obnoxious.